Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Minds. So today we're cooking an easy recipe. No fancy ingredients, no pressure, just something warm, quick and comforting. For a killer garlic teriyaki pork tenderloin, you can elevate the dish with minimal effort. Because let's be real, when you're juggling work, life and everything in between, the daily what's for dinner question can feel like a full-time job on its own. Cooking is truly the best kind of therapy. There's nothing quite like the rhythm of slicing, chopping, even searing and glazing to wash away a busy day. After slicing the pork as thinly as possible to have lesser cooking time, let's season it with salt and pepper. Then set aside. Now let's prepare the garlic. There are so many ways to mince the garlic. Check the link above, and also I'm using this manual pull string chopper. So if you're interested, it's in the link below. We're not aiming for perfection. After a long day, the goal is simple: less thinking, more cooking. Okay, so we start with the garlic. Saute in butter until golden brown. Then let's set aside. Increase the heat, melt a generous knob of butter in your pan, and add the sliced pork. Let's cook it through about 15 to 30 minutes. Sliced pork cooks very quickly compared to larger roasts, so overcooking can dry the meat out. This is the part where you can breathe for a second, maybe sit down or scroll your phone. Now let's add the soy sauce and the teriyaki sauce. Add the dry ingredients and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes and check the consistency of the sauce. If you're a busy mom like me, this is your reminder you don't need perfect meals, just real ones. And just like that, we made the dinner. The tenderloin is served. I made it as toppings with rice. Is it fancy? No. Is it made with love and survival instincts? Absolutely. Okay, so we did good today. So let's taste it. It's soft and beautifully browned and incredibly juicy, tender, and tasty, accompanied by a rich sauce that brings together aromatic garlic, soy, and teriyaki sauce. It's a perfectly cooked tenderloin practically melts in your mouth. Let's make the spinach salad. First, let's boil 2 to 3 cups of water in a pan. Prepare a bag of spinach and once boiling, submerge the leaves and cook it for a minute. Drain with the colander and soak in ice water for 2 minutes. Or you can just leave it. So once thoroughly drained, add the rest of the ingredients. Let's prepare a teaspoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of green onions, and a teaspoon of sesame oil. Then add a teaspoon of soy sauce and salt and pepper to taste. Mix well, and it's done. The spinach salad offers a harmonious balance of soy sauce and sesame oil with garlicky punch, aromatic and deeply satisfying base. So till next time, please don't forget to like, and if you have not subscribed yet, please do. Ayo ayo!